how to answer call on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9 brand, just like myself, and you want to answer all incoming call on your Apple Watch Series 9, then here are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead, pair your Apple Watch and your iPhone together. So you need to make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are paired together. So first is go to your iPhone and turn on your Bluetooth, and then come back to your Apple Watch as well. Then go to settings. On the settings, select Bluetooth and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. So once your Bluetooth is enabled, you will be able to pair your Apple Watch and your iPhone together. So make sure they are both connected together. Now, once your iPhone and your Apple Watch are connected together and the Bluetooth is turned on, now when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, it's going to ring on your Apple Watch. And now to answer the call on your Apple Watch Series 9, you can say the call is on my Apple Watch as well as on my iPhone. Now to answer the incoming call on your Apple Watch, what you just need to do is click on the green button, then you should see connecting, and there you go. Is that? So you can reduce the volume, increase the volume while the call is active. And you can also transfer the call from your Apple Watch to your iPhone, or transfer the call from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. So that is all you need to do when you want to answer call on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.